Welcome to the Shady Place. In this episode, we find some great views of Lake Michigan, see Lake Huron for the first time, and make our way towards Lake Superior. I'm Shay, this is my wife Katie, and our pup Rusty. We're wandering around the United States in our RV Floretta. Come with us as we explore this beautiful country.
Good morning from the casino. So today is going to be a pretty much just like to-do day. We've got to dump. I got to do laundry. I got like 5 bags of laundry to do. It's going to be an all-day laundry day today. But we are going to be heading up further north. We're going to Petoskey, sorry.
Petoskey. And then we're going to go to the northern peninsula of Michigan.
Yeah.
Go across the bridge. It looks like Canada on the map, but it's part of Michigan.
Yeah. We're like on the edge of the United States, man. The northern part. It's pretty cool. Please enjoy this beautiful driving footage while we do all of our errands. This is kind of gross. There's like dead fish all on the shore here. Ooh. If anybody's watching our videos and they're from Michigan, please comment and let me know what this is. This is wild. I love the different colors of the water. How it's like dark blue, then like turquoise, and then like almost transparent clear. I think I figured why the fish are dead. Nuclear power plant. That might have something to do with it.
We interrupt this program to bring you...
The Shady Place tees. They come in green, light blue, and tan. Do you want to support us and help make these videos? Then send us an email at arustyshadyplace@gmail.com to order yours now.
Good morning. So we gave Rusty a bath. He's so cute and fluffy. So we ended up staying the night at a casino, which is actually really, really great because they have a dumping station here. So I took like a super long shower. I don't think I've ever used up the propane. Now that we are all ready for the day, I'm gonna go ahead and dump the Retta and get some fresh water for our trip. I'm loving this casino. I think it's Kawadan Casino. It's a great spot for RVers out there if you're in this area. There actually is a point at the casino where we can go to the beach and see the water, so that's what we're gonna do after Shay gets done filling up the Retta. Wow, we can literally drive up to the water. This is great. It's like super windy. Check out all the white caps. For the waves. right, now we're gonna go ahead and get on the road. We got about a 2-hour drive ahead of us.
Yeah, we're going to Deer Park. It's right on Lake Superior, right on the beach. Northern Peninsula of Michigan.
Woo! Hopefully we get a good spot. Let's go!
Have a good one.